Imagine a vehicle built for a world where normal SUVs no longer matter. A machine designed to survive the most extreme environments on Earth while giving you the comfort of a private luxury suite. This is not just an expedition truck. This is a futuristic armored luxury fortress. A combination of military-inspired engineering, extreme off-road power, and billionaire-level comfort. The first thing you notice is the presence. The front design looks aggressive and unstoppable. The armored front fascia, massive vertical grille, and custom dark red LED accents create a futuristic identity that feels more like a machine from the future than a normal vehicle. The armored front fascia, massive vertical grille, and custom dark red LED accents create a futuristic identity that feels more like a machine from the future than a normal vehicle. The multi-layer steel bumper is built for extreme conditions, featuring heavy-duty recovery points and an enormous electric winch system ready for situations where ordinary vehicles would fail. High-output LED light bars, laser-style daytime running lights, and reinforced protection around the windshield create a feeling of complete confidence. This vehicle was not designed to follow roads. It was designed to create its own path. Moving into the cabin, the experience becomes completely different. The military-inspired exterior transforms into a luxury command center. The armored cabin features advanced visibility cameras, oversized power mirrors, reinforced pillars, and technology that gives the driver complete control in any environment. The roof carries expedition equipment, including cargo racks, storage cases, communication systems, and powerful auxiliary lights. Everything has a purpose. Everything is built for adventure. From the side profile, the design becomes even more intimidating. Matte black armored panels, hidden storage compartments, heavy-duty doors, premium tinted windows, and utility sections create the perfect combination of toughness and luxury. The massive body sits on an extreme suspension setup with huge all-terrain tires, deep-dish luxury wheels, and a 10x10 drivetrain-inspired appearance. The ground clearance is enormous. Where most luxury SUVs stop, this machine continues. At the rear, the Expedition design continues with recovery equipment, storage access, work lights, cameras, a spare wheel system. But the biggest surprise is inside. The cockpit feels inspired by a fighter jet. A digital instrument display, dual infotainment screens, aircraft-style controls, 360-degree monitoring, night vision, and advanced off-road technology surround the driver. The seats deliver first-class comfort with premium leather, heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustment options. Passengers experience a luxury lounge with captain's chairs, ambient lighting, premium materials, and advanced sound insulation. But this vehicle takes luxury even further. Behind the cabin is a complete mobile living space. A private lounge area includes a smart TV, electric fireplace, and dining setup. The kitchen features modern appliances, a refrigerator, coffee system, sink, and water purification technology. The sleeping area provides a comfortable bed, storage, reading lights, and privacy. Even the bathroom delivers a luxury experience with a shower, vanity area, and modern facilities. This is not just a transportation. This is a home that can travel anywhere. Technology makes this machine even more advanced. Satellite internet capability, 5G connectivity, smart controls, voice commands, biometric access, and digital key systems create a futuristic ownership experience. Underneath this massive body is equally extreme engineering. A concept-level 10 by 10 all-wheel drive system, powerful twin-turbo diesel engine, heavy-duty automatic transmission, massive fuel capacity, air suspension, and extreme recovery winch make it ready for the toughest environments. Finished in satin obsidian black with gunmetal titanium details, dark crimson accents, and a premium stealth appearance, this machine represents the ultimate combination of power, freedom, and luxury. Because this is not just a vehicle, it is a statement. A statement that says, wherever the world ends, your journey continues.